if you want some of this slime, I'll give it to you in a container like this. Pretty small, but you get about that much slime in it. All you have to do is, I'm trying to get this video under 40 seconds max. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe. Yeah, that's all you have to do. Like the video and subscribe. I'm nice. I'm gonna say you don't have to turn guys' notifications on. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna be nice. Right. Just like the video, subscribe, and comment done when you're done, and then I'll contact you with further details about my slime world. Yeah. Apart from that, like the video, subscribe, and comment done when you're done.